So hello guys, I'm here in the farm again and I'm literally sweating, and I will show you something for today's video because I don't have a plan to vlog this, but just to show you, wait, I have to put my bag. So this is where my bag is. So I will show you my breakfast today because it's so funny guys, because my dish is always repeat and repeat. Okay, I will show you. I just have to take off this first because it's really sweat guys. Okay, one moment. Only my clothes change but my dish won't. I will show you. So yesterday our dish is sardines, fish and egg, and today it's still the same. No, there's no changes guys. I've been eating this for the whole year. Is this what it means? So yeah, still this and fried fish. So, and also yesterday lunch I also have sardines. Matubuan na taani og hingbis. So maybe the scales of the fishes grow on my body because I always eat this. You know, it's not to complain, yeah, but that's why sometimes I'm out of my mind. There were times that I imagining things, eating some, you know, delicious foods like chicken, like that. But I'm opening the, so that is why sometimes I feel so tired, you know, because here in the family, in the family, we don't know about balanced diet. And if you are a good nutrition, and if you are a poor and less fortunate farmer, that's not applicable to you. It's because for someone like me who work, you know, and walk and consume a lot of calories, it should be have a, you know, a daily protein intake. But how can you get protein if you always eat this like this? Diba? Naku, nasa pakatama. Kailan pa kaya tayo nito mag-get out of poverty? Because this is not really an easy situation in life. So yeah, but yes, we should still thank the universe, the God, for having this. I hope, no, let's just dream that one day we could eat, and we can eat what food that I want, I rather. So, diba? So again, another fish, a sardines, and the egg. It's almost the same day yesterday.